Hey guys, welcome back to our video. It's clean with us today. So Harriet is helping me to do some cleaning. So we are doing some deep cleaning today, because it wasn't easy. If you see my house, it was not weekend. Today is Thursday because today is public holiday. Yeah, my husband is at home. We just decided to clean the house because I woke up to meet the children, scattered my house, turned my house upside down. So I have no choice than to clean the house because I don't like seeing dirty at all. When I see dirty, my body dey always dey scratch me. I dey get irritated to dirty, so anytime I see dirty, so I can't stay inside because my body will be, I get allergy, I get allergy to dirtiness, so that's why whenever my house is dirty, even when I go visit somebody, you will see me always cleaning, sweeping because I can't stay with anything dirty. I cannot stay with dirty at all. So that's why today I decided to say, okay, I can't wait till Saturday. I have to clean my house today because the way I woke up to see my house, it was not So that's it, guys. So at this point, it's Harriet that is helping me to hold the camera. Every minute I will ask her, Harriet, am I showing, is the video okay? Go say yes, so everything is okay. I'll say okay, hold it. But this Aki and Papa that I have, they will not let me get peace. They'll still go to Harriet. They'll be disturbing Harriet. They will shake her hand. They'll do different things. I have to still shout to pursue them. So I have to start here too. I have to start with their room because my God, this children room, I think I have to throw all toys away, even the scooter, because the thing, I think is too much. Whenever they are helping me to hold camera, I always ask them that, am I showing? Is the video okay? Is my leg showing? Is my hair showing? I always ask her questions. Sometimes Chayo do help me to also hold camera. It's only a Fosa. One day I'll try a Fosa. So she did so well. Wanna manage the video. Anyhow, now see the video, wanna manage them because now Harriet, now be the camera woman, camera baby, I be camera girl. Anyhow, wanna manage them. So at this point, these two Aki and Popo, they were coming to ask me some questions. I said, no, Mona, leave me and beg, I did busy. Because whenever I'm doing something, these children always like to distract me, And if you see the way they messed up this room, where the video is coming again. If you see the way I woke up to meet my God. When you see the way I woke up to meet my house, you go, hey, the way these children scatter their rooms and the way they scatter everywhere. In short, I just asked them to change their bed spread by themselves. Then Treasure have to take the